Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Reality Consult, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to practically demonstrate how to extract raster cells into new rasters. In other words, how to extract raster data by mask. In my previous videos, I show you how to use the clip tool to clip vector features into boundaries. And this clip tool cannot be used for clipping raster data. There are some specific tools that have been designed to be used for extraction of data from raster. And today I'm going to demonstrate how to use one of those tools, which is the extract by mask. Before that, you have to have your data, and this one part of my data, which is the regional map of Ghana, and then I have the Moody's land use classification covering some part of Ghana and some part of African countries. So I want to extract all data within the Ashanti region, and before I will do that, I have to select and export the Ashanti region, and after that then I'll extract all data within Ashanti region. So go to right click, go to open attribute, select Ashanti region, then right click, go to data, export, save where you want to export it. You can name it. I'll leave it like that. Okay, that's let's highlight the regional map of Ghana, and that is we have exported the regional map of Ashanti region. So now I want to extract data within this, and what now I will do is that you have to access the extract by mask tool, and you can access it through search. Just type extract by mask. This is a very handy way of finding tools. If you exactly know the name of the tool, you can search for it here. Click on it, and that is it. So the tool is in extract by mask spatial analyst to extract the cells of raster. So that is it. So but let's access it through arc toolbox. Go to spatial analyst, come to extraction, and the extraction by what mask, double click on it, and then pick the input raster, and here pick export 5. That is the regional boundary of Ashanti region. Click OK. Extraction has been completed. Let's take this out. That is it. So our extraction has been completed. We are able to extract all data from the Moody's land use classification, the bigger one, into the Ashanti regional boundary map. So basically that is how to extract raster data by what mask. There are some other extraction tool which will be the extract by attributes, input raster, where clause, and output raster, you name and perform the operation. And then we have extract by circle, extract by points. So different of them, you can perform the operations. Extract multi-values to points. Just select it, and you perform the operations. So basically that is how to carry out extraction by mask. Thank you very much for watching this video, and kindly subscribe to my channel for more video of this kind. All the best. Bye bye.